In a small dusty village, lived John, a barefoot boy with a gift for football. His feet moved faster than the wind, and the ball seemed to obey his every touch. But his dreams were bigger than the field he played on, and poverty stood in his way. One hot afternoon, while he played barefoot as always, a stranger stopped his car. He watched in silence, until Chike's final shot sent the ball flying straight into his hands. That man wasn't just a passerby, he was a football scout. In weeks, Chike swapped dusty fields for a stadium. He wore real boots, a real jersey, and carried the hopes of an entire village. Years later, he returned, not just as a player, but as the pride of his parents, and proof that miracles still happen. This is just one of many stories I tell, stories that remind you, your dreams are never too far away.
Hi friends, I'm sure you're engrossed with the story you just watched now. Here is how I created it all on Canva. Go to your Canva app, open your Canva, type video as you can see showing. Select video, a blank page, and you start creating from scratch on the blank page. Once it has loaded, you have your page ready for your video creation. And most of the video size creation is standard for YouTube, and we have it. You don't have to select or search for to your chat GPT where you created the script, and you copy your script. I already created my script. As you can see, I'm just copying it out. I'm going to copy the script and go ahead to ChatGPT. I'm going to select AI voice generator and click AI voice generator and click on the preferred voice I want. You have the ones that are paid, but the ones that are paid have a crown. That's for pro version. Anywhere you see crown on that Canva, you know it's a paid or a pro version. It's a paid for a pro version. And you'd make your choice and select which you did prefer.
In a small dusty village lived Chike, a barefoot boy with a gift for football. In a small dusty village lived Chike, a barefoot boy with a gift for football.
This voiceover from Canva. I didn't have to use 11 Lab. I didn't bother to. The only thing I had to generate outside Canva was the script of the story. But you can also generate script of the story all on Canva. Everything all done on Canva. But I already created my scripts from ChatGPT.
In a small dusty village lived John, a barefoot boy with a gift for football.
In a small dusty village lived John, a barefoot boy with a gift for football. In a small dusty village lived John, a barefoot boy with a gift for football.
In a small dusty village, lived John.
A voice from the United Kingdom, which was Henry, and that's how we created this voiceover. Then the
In a
voiceover
small
says,
dusty village, lived
small dusty village, go ahead to your upload, or either still go ahead to your uploads if you already have the images, which I already do have. Images, and the dusty village is here. Select the three dots and upload, set as background. You have your small dusty image, or you don't have image, you can generate the image from elements. Go to elements, click on generate your own. Right, generate a realistic dusty village surrounded with young and old people that are in a town square, and wait for it to generate. So we have different images, but you have to be specific so you don't get white people generated images, and that's how you go about that. And you're giving credits, but and refresh it, have them generated. But meanwhile, I have my images. Just follow the audio to add your images.
In a small dusty village lived Chike, a barefoot boy with a gift for... In a small dusty village lived Chike.
Cheeky. So I'm going to split it. You click on this. Okay, it's highlighted, it's been clicked and split. And I'm putting Cheeky in this section now. Go to my upload. Cheeky. Replace background. So that's Cheeky happy and ball.
In a small dusty village lived Chike, a barefoot boy with a gift for football. His feet moved fast.
His feet moves faster. I'm going to put another image. So whatever the audio is saying should speak directly, or should like resonate with the image being uploaded on in the video creation. Click on the image itself, split, and I'm going ahead to upload my image of a boy running swiftly. Here it is. Same as usual. Then replace.
Moved faster than the wind, and the ball seemed to obey his every touch. But his dreams were bigger than the field he played on, and poverty stood in his way. One hot afternoon played on, and poverty stood in his dreams were bigger than the field he...
And that is how you go with the remaining sections of the images you've created for the story scripts. search for a calm music, a calm and happy sound to use for the background sound of the video, which would actually engage audience all along while listening to your story. And thereafter, you've chosen your preferred background sound. We go ahead and put it there.
In a small dusty village lived
Put it
John.
there. And we have our video. But before we leave, I'm going to make the images cinematic, not a static image. Go to animate images, select
You're applying
breadth,
breadth
search
makes it
for
look
breadth and
cinematic.
select breadth as seen.
In a small
You
dusty
can check
village
other
lived John,
options,
a
but
barefoot boy
breadth
with a
is
gift
the
for football.
one that makes it
His feet moved
cinematic
faster than the wind, and the ball seemed to
and
obey his every
apply
touch.
to all.
But his dreams were bigger than the
And
field
make
he
it
played
apply
on,
to
and
all, and
poverty
we
stood in
have
his way.
it also
One hot afternoon,
cinematic
while he
view,
played barefoot as
like a
always, a stranger stopped his car. He watched in
zoom out
silence until
feature,
DK's final shot sent the
and
ball
there you
flying
go
straight into
about
his hands.
your
That
um
man wasn't just a
video
passerby.
creation, video story creation, just using Canva, all on Canva. Just walk through your video and the script if it aligns with your audio. Thereafter, you download your video, as you can see. Thank you for watching. If you learned one or two things from this video, you could kindly like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you.